please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got something from Japan. It came out of a Zen Pop box. That again. It's go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider, and get yourself a little discount. So, Koku Kiku, I can't remember. Myojo, Koku Tonkotsu, I think. Koku, K-O-K-U. Yeah. Koku Tonkotsu. Yeah. 4 minutes, 400 mils of water. 400 mils of water boiling. Why 4 minutes? Because it's a fancy noodle block. Got some garnish. We got some powder. And we got some goo. Everybody likes their goo. Special goo kind of thing. Yeah! Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, I love the goo every day. Yeah. Crap. There's some really bad music. A lot of the stuff I play is pretty darn bad, but it's like, I don't know, there's something about it that makes it so freaking cheesy that it's like perfect. I would like to know if there's anybody from Japan out there that would look at a sachet like this and go, put it on at the end. Because it's like there's a slice of this, I like to call it pepperoni style chashu. Yeah. But then there's also all this green onion in there, so I don't know what one would think of that, you know? It looks like basically for the end, but I don't know. But we got 4 minutes on this sucker. Oh, Mimi wants another choice in programming entertainment. She wants to watch Caillou. Caillou, if you've never seen it, oh, that kid. He looks like Charlie Brown, but a little bit fatter, and just really whiny. And the kids have both picked up a little bit of his whininess from time to time, and it drives us insane. So she's complaining out there. Look at that balloon. I got her an enormous unicorn. I got you an enormous unicorn balloon, and you're complaining about your programming options? Shame, Mimi. Shame. You want puppies? Well, I don't have any puppies on me. Oh. I have puppies. That's you and your brother. They're your puppies. You want some puppies? Well, we can get some puppies. We'll walk to the store later and buy 10 ravages of puppies. More puppies? How many you want? 10 puppies? No? 20 puppies? 20 unicorns. Isn't one enough? Is it me or is this camera like filthy? Oh no, it's a reflection. There we go. Yeah. What is the name of your unicorn? Nay, that's right. Nay. So yeah, they're still working on that impeachment thing. I just wish they would get, I mean, come on. And this whole new thing, the president can do anything he freaking damn well wants while he's president. No, that's silly. By royal decree, anybody who utters... My favorite one, my royal decree would be anybody who uses the term W will be shot on sight. It must be pronounced double V. No. I don't know. I mean, I know this is going to irritate some people, but how can you even really like that guy? He's such an arrogant dork, man. I know. I just don't know. We're screwed. Play with your iPhones. Get out of politics. Honestly, I'm really excited about the new Galaxy S20. Although my phone works perfectly well. Maybe I just don't need a new phone. Just because it's new doesn't mean it's great. Or even if it is great, maybe I should just be happy with what I've got. Just be thankful for what you got. Diamond in the back, showing the rooftop. Digging the lean with the gang. What is it? Digging the scene with the gangsta lean. Gangsta white walls. Is in the back. Yeah, I mean, I don't need a new phone. I would like a new president, though. But I really don't want Mike Pence. So, I know somebody right now is just grinding their teeth as they're listening to me say these things. And for that, I thank you. I don't mind. I think when we get to the point that somebody's political preference, though, like, oh, I won't hang out with that person. They're Republican. I think when you get to that point, you're way too vested in it personally, you know? Aren't we all supposed to be on the same team? Right? Americans, woo! I still think that classy guy, John McCain, that lady was like, he's a terrorist, that Obama fella, he's no good. No, ma'am, actually, he's just somebody we have differing opinions on things, but he is not a terrorist. In fact, I'm pretty sure he loves his family. That was the best, though. Those are the days I yearn for, when it was like there was decorum, but now everybody's a scumbag. I'll say whatever I need to make sure that I'm number one with the people that like me. It's like, don't be afraid to piss off your constituents. To some degree. I mean, don't go nuts, but... I don't know. It just seems really weird that morals and stuff are kind of a thing of the past in the Trump world. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. My favorite is how they play the wounded Klingon. They're the Duras administration. If you follow Star Trek really close, like I do, yeah. Oh, well, I'll try it out of the bowl. Because I can do whatever I want. I'm the Ramen Raider. That's always my favorite, when people call it ramen noodles. Alright. Nice light broth. Light color, at least. Mmm. Kind of sweet. It comes with the pepperoni chashu, so I'm just gonna let it sit here I'll try it after I take all my happy pictures, but there's only one slice and it's really thin, so I'll let you know when the review comes out. Just to let people know that don't already, this video, if you're watching it on YouTube and it just came out, I recorded this video January 30th of 2020. You're probably watching this at least February 20th or later 2020. And then there's the actual post itself, which will show up on theramenraider.com. And currently I think I'm over 100 days ahead, maybe closer to 115. So it's almost 4 months out. So as you can see, not everything's instantaneous. So when a new variety of noodles comes out, it's not like bam, it comes out. Well, I mean, you know, sometimes I'll like shuffle the numbers. Like if I really want to post the one, like if I wanted to post this one today or tomorrow, I just switch the numbers with the next one in line, and then this one would get pushed out. Or no, the one that was supposed to be would have been pushed out. Sometimes I'll actually do that for top 10s, just due to the fact that 4 months is kind of a long ways to be ahead. Ooh, no. Get back in there. Get back in there. We need the yellowy stuff. There you go. Good job. Mung bean sprouts. My favorites, you know, mung bean sprouts. Spring onion. This is good stuff too. I gotta admit, there's nothing better than this. I really only discovered this Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp maybe like 3 months ago. I read about it on Wikipedia. That's a lot. Look at that. It's so oily and it's crisp. Nah. Oh, well, that's the wrong lid anyway. So that is what you want to find at the store, people. If you really need it, get the Hui Fong Sriracha. But honestly, this is so much better. It'll make you squeal with delight. Kind of like that unicorn over there. Happy unicorn. Actually, the unicorn's name is Nay. It's a contrary, you see. Yeah. I think we're good with this one. So let's get everything all nice and ready. Let's play something else. Alright, here we go with yet another rotating review from the Ramen Raider. This is a tasty instant noodle, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you get it. So here we go. Ready, set, and go. Audience members will receive a free subscription to the Ramen Raider home game. The Ramen Raider home game at $1,000 a week. It's a great deal. Just go to patreon.com and go slash the Ramen Raider and send $1,000 a week. It's all you have to do to make me happy. Also, service merchandise. Service merchandise brings you products that you enjoy, love, and share with people that you don't even know. This has been a Ramen Raider production. Enjoy your noodles every day. This has been Hans Lennis, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. And bye.